Here's an app called Fictif Interactive Romance. Fictif, I see. All right. So a stunning collection, interaction, inclusive visual novels where you make the decisions with exciting adventure-filled episodes full of romance and mystery. You choose your own story. Your decisions change the path you take and the story you experience. So a lot of collections. You can create your storybook. Pretty interesting app built by a really cool developer, Dorian. So their famous app is Dorian Interactive Dramas Hub, where you can just have a lot of different interactive stories. Really nicely made app. And then they just have some additional apps like this one. And you can just open it up. And then you can just skip it, and then you can then just continue from here, and then you have different types of comics and these kind of stories. So for example, here you can then just enter and then just play the chapter. So here you just see all of these different scenarios. You have rewards, you have Discord chat, you have store where you can buy things, and then you have settings where you can log in to save progress. So that's the idea, and then you can just start to play. So for example, if you start playing, just remember that this is like plus 122 megabytes just, I guess, for these chapters. So this app can get quite big. And now here's how the gameplay looks like. So as you can see it here, you just select your name and then the story unfolds, and there are really cool graphics. And then you need just to make different decisions along the gameplay, and it will create your game story.